Want the shiniest, best-looking beautiful kitchen? Picture your smiling reflection in every stainless steel appliance in your kitchen every day. Experience the difference for yourself or give the gift of shine to the special woman or man in your life. Don't settle for a cheap terry towel or cotton rag to restore the showroom sparkle of your expensive stainless steel fridge. Manufactured to the quality standards of the demanding American consumer using a proven tested blend of synthetic fibers that are incredibly abrasion-resistant yet result in a stretchy and crease-free cloth. Safe on all types of surfaces and won't damage any finishes. Why risk damaging your stainless steel with abrasive cleaners? You paid good money for it, now take care of it the right way. Easy instructions: simply use water in a spray bottle or dampen a section of the oversized towel for powerful cleaning action. Then polish and buff to a shine with the dry area of the cleaning cloth for a naturally enviro-friendly green solution that is non-toxic and safe for children and pets. Durable and multi-purpose. The best premium-grade oversized microfiber kitchen towels are also perfect for effortlessly polishing sinks and chrome bathroom fixtures. Absorb liquid spills. The cloth will reduce hard water spots in the shower. Zap grime in automobiles, trucks, boat, ATV, motorcycles, RV, aircraft and more. Residue and dust remover from delicate electronics, laptops, computer screens, LED panels, TVs, LCD monitors, wine glasses. Restore the brilliant luster of musical instruments. Save time and money keeping your home clean and in pristine shape. Eliminate harsh, harmful chemicals and stop using wasteful rolls of regular paper towels or chemical-filled wipes. Our polishing cloth leaves no scratches, lint, streaks, swirls, or spots on your household appliances, cabinets, countertops, glass or mirrors. Each generously oversized towel is 16 x 16 inches that are designed to keep your hands from touching the